Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and this is my living room. So I apologize for the sporadic videos that I've been putting out. We have exams going on at work and I have, just different things going on. Yesterday I was shopping with my niece and found some plants that I wanted. So yeah, I'm going to take you and show you the plants that I bought. I've got one plant as a graduation gift, and today is a very rainy day. I'm just going to add some fertilizer into the soil and kind of mix it down in there and let that just kind of work its way into the soil, and then probably next Sunday, I guess, or one night this week, place the plant down into the soil, and I'm letting my hanging baskets get a really good soaking before I hang those up. So we'll do that, and I know that I did not do cash stuffing Saturday yesterday, so we're going to do that throughout the week. I have not made it to the bank, and then I went shopping, so I need to make sure that, I didn't spend what I wanted to save. So yeah, I'm going to take you to see what first of all, I'll bring you a small haul of things I picked up at like Lowe's, and then I'll take you outside and show you the plants. Alright, so you probably hear all of this. Of course, we spent all day out in the garden areas of various stores, which just wrecks my allergies. And then I spent yesterday at a friend's house having a graduation dinner, which was lovely. And of course I want to sit outside because I love being outside. And yeah, so came home and did use my neti pot to get all that pollen out of my nose. We'll see. My throat's a little sore and a little stuffy, but whatever. Alright, so I'm going to show you what I got. My fence in the backyard, it just needs a complete overhaul. It needs new brackets. It needs a new entry latch. So at Lowe's for like $33, I just got this full set. And it's got the brackets for the hinges for the door. It's got the double-sided entry with handle and all of that. So yeah, we're going to put that up hopefully next weekend. Got a new garden flag because, they disintegrate after a while. Not a flag, flag holder. And I got some Dr. Earth Acid Lovers Organic Mix because I had 2 boxwoods die up beside my front porch, and I've always had little mini, man, that just left my head, gardenias up by my front door, because one time I went to my dad's house and you just smelt the smell, and I was like, what is that? And he's like, oh, I planted these little gardenias here. So ever since then I've always had gardenias near my front door, so as you're walking up you smell it. So I got that, and then I got 2 of my favorite hanging plants, which is the Fuschia that has the pink outer. They kind of droop, and it's got the pink outer with the purple flower that comes up. Love those. I was looking for something to put in my planters on either side of my door, and I haven't figured out if I want to get like a slow-growing greenery that only needs partial sun, or if I just want to put potted things in there seasonally. I don't know. Alright, let's go look at the flowers. So one last thing I bought that I just remembered is a metal flag bracket, because mine was plastic. It was old. It was cracked when I got here, and I guess it just cracked all the way, and so I need to replace that. So I'm thinking today I'm going to replace this, condition the soil with some of the fertilizer because it'll rain and soak down in there. And trying to figure out where I'm going to put my flagpole. So, let's get going.